Hi my beautiful people, we're gonna make banana porridge from start to finish. Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen guys. We have an easy, delicious recipe for you guys today. We're gonna make some green plantain porridge. Over here guys, we have 3 fingers of green banana. We have a pinch of cinnamon powder. We have a pinch of grated nutmeg. We have a pinch of salt. We have 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. We have 1 tin of evaporated milk. We have a tablespoon of vanilla. We have a half cup of water we're going to put in the blender to blend up the green banana when we peel it. So guys, this is an awesome delicious recipe in Selvin Kitchen guys, and please give me a thumbs up for the video. So we're going to make some green banana porridge. Yes guys, so what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to peel this green banana. Just going to peel this green banana, people. First I'm just going to cut off the banana stem and the bottom of the banana, and then you're going to put the knife right down in it and just slip it across like that, and then you use your finger so you peel green banana, people. See? Cut off the next one. Put the knife in at the side. Slip it right down. That's it, people, and then use the knife to pare off the little part here right here. That's it, voila, green banana. The last one now. Get off this piece. That's how we peel green banana, guys. Yes guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna cut up the green banana. You cut them up too big, just slice them up like that. We're just gonna add some water to it. I had it in the blender. So if you guys never have green banana before, drop me a comment and let me know. So now I'm just gonna add some water to it. So I'm just gonna add some water to it now, guys.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me pressing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love.
Yes guys, so I finished blend up the green banana. That's what it look like, people. Yes guys, so I have 3.5 cups of water we're gonna use to make the porridge. So right now just gonna add in the vanilla, pinch of salt, the nutmeg, cinnamon powder. Give that a nice little mix. So now we're just gonna add in the green banana. So you want to scrape everything out of that. So make sure, people, when you're cooking porridge and you add in the banana, give it a stir, because you don't want it to get lumpy. So I'm gonna stir it for a good 2 minutes first, make it start boil. Yes, my beautiful people, so I'm stirring this for the last 30 seconds. And you see it look like this, it look watery. But wait till it start get thick. When they start boil, it get thick. So it look watery now, but I'm keep on stirring it till the water start to boil. Yes, my beautiful people, that's what it look like now. So it come thick now. And if it's too thick for you guys, you can add a little bit of water to it. But I like it when it's so thick. I don't like it too watery. I'm gonna put in the evaporated milk in it. So the evaporated milk, and then loosen up it a bit. It's not so thick. So remember, we're cooking banana porridge, people. It's not very hard to cook. So look at that, people. Just keep on stirring it like that when you're cooking. Yes, people, when we're growing up back home, our grandparents, our parents would get a lot of cornmeal porridge, a lot of banana porridge. So I'm gonna give it another 3 minutes before I put in the evaporated milk. Yes, guys, so this has been cooking for the last 7 minutes. Give it a nice little stir. You don't want to turn up the fire too high. You don't want it to get burned in the bottom, because it's so thick. So you don't want it a blazing fire underneath. Around medium. You want to make it slowly cook. So let's keep on give it a nice stir, because you don't want it to get lumpy. Because we're cooking a beautiful green banana porridge in Selvin Kitchen, people. Nice and thick. It's good for the cold weather, because the winter is coming, people. So that, I'm gonna give it another 3 minutes. Then I put in the evaporated milk. Yes, my beautiful people. We give it a nice stir again. So now we're just gonna add in some evaporated milk in it now. Gonna add in the whole lot. Just give that a nice stir and give that another 5 minutes. Make sure you mix in all of that evaporated milk in that green banana porridge. Because you don't want somebody to brown and somebody to white. You want to mix it properly. As I said before, people, anybody have banana porridge, drop me a comment. Anybody never have tried banana porridge before, still drop me a comment, and maybe one day you guys will try it. And please give me a thumbs up for the video, people. Look at that, my beautiful green banana porridge with that vanilla, with that nutmeg, with that cinnamon powder, people. Beautiful. So I'm gonna put on back the lid on that and give that another 5 minutes, and it's good to go. Yes, people, so my green banana porridge, guys, is all finished now. Give it a nice stir. Guys, and when you're boiling your porridge, don't go away and sit down and watch the telly and let the porridge and the fire to boil. It all will boil right over in the stove. So you have to keep your eyes on it, people. Don't put the lid on it and walk away and leave it. Look at that, people. Green banana porridge. So I'm going to turn off the stove now. So I'm going to add in the brown sugar. As I said before, guys, if you don't have the brown sugar, you can use the white sugar instead and sweeten it to your taste. So I don't like a lot of sugar, so I'm going to sweeten it with 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. And then you can add a little bit in your hand and taste it. If you want any more sugar, you add a little bit more to it. Yes, guys, so just sweeten this porridge, and then I'm gonna add a little bit in my hand and taste it if you want any more sugar. If you want any more sugar, I'm gonna add a little bit more, but sweetening to your taste. So better you put in less sugar more than more sugar, so you can add in more sugar if you want any more sweetness in it. So I'm gonna add a little bit in my hand. Yes, that is perfect. That is perfect for me, but put in sugar to your taste, people. So that is green banana porridge, all finished, guys. I'm just gonna share out some of it now. I had some of it for breakfast. Yes, my beautiful people. So what I'm gonna do now, just gonna share out some of this nice green banana porridge for breakfast. Just gonna add a little bit in this bowl. Okay, if you look at the texture, it's not too watery and it's not too thick. The texture just right. So anybody try this recipe, do a look at video and send it to me. I want to know how this recipe turned out. Beautiful, people, beautiful green banana porridge. Look at that, guys. Yes, my beautiful people. So this is the green banana porridge. Look at that, people. Beautiful texture, beautiful color. Not too thick, not too watery. The texture does come out right. So as I said, guys, when you're cooking it, just keep your eyes on it. Don't put the cover on it and go and sit down and watch your telly, because everything will boil over in the stove. And you don't want it to come out lumpy. So this is green banana porridge in Selvin Kitchen for breakfast, people. Please give me a thumbs up for the video, and please share and like the video with your friends and family, because Selvin Kitchen, we're always doing something new. So I will see you guys in the next video. Stay safe. Selvin Kitchen, love.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. And anybody want to be a patron, I'm going to drop the link. You can sign up to be a patron. And please like the video before you go. And if you don't subscribe, please subscribe before you go. And please share the video with your friends and family. And please check out the rest of the channel for the rest of the awesome, delicious recipes. Selvin Kitchen, stay safe.